Okay, so if you are working on the unit rate handout and you're stuck on number 1, I'm going to do number 1 and I'm going to do number 6 from each section. So a skydiver falls 144 feet in 3 seconds. How far does the skydiver fall per second? So all I have to do is on my paper, this is number 1. Skydiver falls 144 feet in 3 seconds. That's his rate that we know right now. And I want to find the unit rate, so I want to find out how far he falls in 1 second. So I'm going to do 144 divided by 3. I can use a calculator to help me, that's fine. 144 divided by 3, 48. This equals 48. So the unit rate is 48 feet per 1 second. And that is it. And then if you are working on number 6, it says use unit rates to answer each question, show your work. 1 bag of pretzels costs $3. 5 bag of pretzels costs $10. Which has the lower unit price? So this would be like if you went to the store and you didn't know if you should get 1 bag or the big pack, but that costs a little more. So we want to figure out how much 1 bag costs to see what is a better deal. So we need to find 2 unit rates. We already know this one, $3 for number 6. The first unit rate is $3 for 1 bag. And then 5 bags for $10. So I would divide the price by how many items I'm getting. $10 divided by 5 equals $2. So this actually is only $2 a bag. That was weird. So when you get the big pack, it's actually a better deal because you're only paying for $2 for every single bag. So I would say 5 bags has a lower unit price. Good luck.